Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe and keeping healthy. Yes, so let's begin our video today. I know you all are eagerly waiting for job notifications to be out as to when it will be out and you will be able to fill out the form and go for your dream career job. Yes, very rightly said. In this video today, we are going to discuss about a job notification which is out for Kerala High Court Assistant 2021 exam. So, Kerala High Court Assistant Admit Card 2021 exam and its details we are going to discuss here. The latest updated was on 15/7/2021. Kerala High Court has released various post exam date and its admit card. Now, the name of the post is Watchman. Recruitment number, that is number of recruitment, is 3. Name or date of the written test is 30/7/2021. The admit card link is still available, so if you want, you can just download from there and you can apply. The name of the post is also Plumber. The recruitment number is 26. The date of written test is 3/8/2021. The admit card link for this post is also still available. You can even go through that. The next is name of the post is Caretaker. The number of recruitments is 23. The date of written test or the written examination is 6/8/2021. The admit card link for this also is still available. If you want, you can just download from there. Now about Kerala High Court Assistant Recruitment. Kerala High Court has recently announced and invited the online applications from the eligible candidates for the post of assistant. So for this, the total number of vacancies for this post were 55 total posts in all. Many interested and eligible candidates had applied for these posts online. The process of submission of online application for this post was commenced from 8/7/2021 and the last date to apply for this post was 9/8/2021. The origination name is Kerala High Court. The name of the post is Assistant. Number of vacancy in total are 55 number of posts. Selection process, you all might be aware of it. Objective type. Then comes the descriptive type. And lastly, the interview. The exam date is not released yet. Application submission date. Starting date is 8/7/2021 and the last date to apply online was 9/8/2021. As I told you about the selection process, 3 types of test: objective test, descriptive test and interview. Now coming to the exam. About the exam, Kerala High Court will soon conduct the written exam for the post of assistant. Candidates who applied for these posts are definitely now waiting for the exam dates, so without waiting they can prepare for the same accordingly. There are many candidates who are searching and inquiring about the exam, about its dates from various sources. So it's not required. You can just follow this video and you will get all the important things. Exam dates will be released soon on the official website of the Kerala High Court. So don't worry and just keep updating yourself. Candidates can also check more about the exam dates from the official website of Kerala High Court, or they can check our video. We will also update you about the same. The date of the exam will be announced later. About the admit card, let's talk about it. The candidates who have already applied online for the post of assistant in Kerala High Court are definitely waiting for the exam dates and when the exam will be conducted and the admit cards to be out. Admit card is a document which is used for the identification of the person who is applying for the given post. The admit card is issued by a concerned organization, that is Kerala High Court in this case, who is conducting any exam or any kind of interview. Though the admit cards are not released yet, but soon it will be released on the official website of the Kerala High Court. So if you are a candidate of this examination, you can download their admit card from the official website of Kerala High Court, or you can even download the same from the link that is given in various websites or web pages. Now, how to download the Kerala High Court Assistant Admit Card? Yes, I'll talk about that. Candidates visit the official website of Kerala High Court. The second step is you have to open the notification for the related post that is displayed on the screen. Now find the download admit card option. There will be one option like this. You have to click on it. Now here you will get the download admit card option. So you have to click the option download. After this, you have to log in with your provisional ID and password which had already been given to you. After this, click on download admit card option and submit. Download and print the admit card for further reference if you require any time. Talking about the exam pattern, the exam pattern will be as I'm going to discuss right now. Exam will be of objective type. Questions will be in the form of MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Exams will be conducted on OMR sheets. There will be 4 options available against each and every questions. So out of 4 options, only 1 option will be correct and you have to choose that. The total number of questions in this exam will be 100 questions and maximum marks for this exam will be 100. So the total marks is 100 marks. Every question will carry 1 marks each and the time allocated for this examination will be 75 minutes, not a minute more than that. The medium of the examination or the test is English. There will also be a negative marking of 0.25 marks. That is, if you make 4 answers wrong, you lose 1 mark. The standard of the questions will be that suitable for candidates who are qualifying with degree qualification. Now, how to download the Kerala High Court Assistant Admit Card? Yes, I will talk about that also. Candidates will have to visit the official website of Kerala High Court. That is the first procedure. The second is open the notification for a related post that is displayed on the screen. Thirdly, after you have done this, you will find the download admit card option. You have to click on that. Next, the fourth step is, now here you will get the download admit card option. You have to click on that. After doing this much, the fifth step is you have to log in with the provisional ID and password. This has already been provided to you previously. So you have to enter that and click the enter button. Now after this, click on download admit card option, submit. Then you have to print this admit card that you can see, or you can save it and download for future reference, and that's how you will be getting your admit card. So I have given you the current information about this Kerala High Court Assistant in a notification that is out. So stay prepared. The exam date will be released very soon, definitely. Don't waste your time, because as soon as the exam dates are out, there will be a rush for the examination and you will not be able to prepare yourself completely. So time is still there. So since time is still there, start preparing yourself, because there are many applicants for this post and seats are very limited. So you can understand the competition level. It will be quite high. So if you want to secure your position in this dream job that you have to start preparing. There are so many books, so many materials, the revision, the schedule, everything has to be done. I'm sure you will not be able to make it up the last minute. So without wasting time, start preparing for yourself right now. Go through the books, go through the subjects, go through the matters that you need revision, practice how you're going to give the examination, prepare a proper schedule, go through the mock test papers and whatsoever you require, and without wasting a single minute. This is a crucial time for your job. So without wasting a single minute, you can just go and start preparing. So I'll also come up with any other videos that are out for notifications. I'll come up with that. But as of now, this is a very good and desired job. So if you want this, you start preparing, and all the best for your dream job. With this, I will end my video here. Thank you for patiently hearing me out and all the best. Thank you.